Okay.
Oops. So it's Olympics in Milan, which is kind of cool. Yeah. Oh, she's so massive. Damn. Hello. I don't know if you can hear me that well. I hope so. But this has prosciutto, parmesan cream, zucchini, and something else that I don't know how, like, what's the name of it in English? I'm sorry. Wait, let's just try it. Huh? Oh my god. This is so good. This is literally amazing. Wait, I'm gonna get another. Oh, I wanna get a zucchini. Hold on. Wait, I actually have no idea. Kind of stop recording anyway. Because my phone is so full. Yay. Yum. So good, so gorgeous. You can see the zucchini. I'm actually so obsessed. I'm so obsessed. She's so gorge. She's so gorge. I really do deserve this because today was like my final day of, the semester. Because I have my exam today. And I think I nailed it. I'm actually not sure, but totally not sure. But you know what? We're celebrating anyway. So good. I actually want to try all of them. They have like so many. And I just didn't really know which one to choose. So I got this one. Yeah. Oh. I really want a rice cooker, guys. This is so gorgeous. So pretty. Hi. I know. It has been a while. It has been
Yeah,
a
right.
very long while.
Right.
And yeah, we are we back? I don't know. What I have in my eye? Oh my god. Wait, I'm actually not used to doing this anymore. It's so funny. Hold on.
Hi, Gaga.
Hi.
I'm Haley.
Why do I have so
Hi.
little space on my phone? I haven't
I
filmed
wanted to
anything
ask
in the
you,
past month.
for
But like
maybe-
literally. Hi. Welcome back. Welcome back to you, but welcome back to me too, because like I have been taking a little break from everything, honestly. I have been like in the trenches for the past months. I'm really sorry for my absence. I don't think you really missed me. Well, maybe you did, I don't know. But I'm happy to be back. I'm happy that my life is finally looking a bit normal again. So, what happened in the past months? And why is the title of this video Somehow Survived January? Plus packing. Let's do a little recap of what happened because you know what? We need to catch up a little bit. Actually, nothing really happened. I'm not here to talk about my exam season because that was like I was delirious the whole time. Like delirious. I was like feeling like shit the whole time. Oh my god, guys, my skin looked like a mess. I feel like now it's looking a little better. I am wearing a little bit of concealer, by the way. Just like January genuinely felt like it was 3 years long. I'm not even kidding. I don't know if that's like the same to you, but maybe it was just because I had finals. Maybe it's just because I was just in a weird headspace, but it genuinely felt like it was 3 years long. You know, Bella in Twilight, it goes like, how long have you been 17? How long has it been fucking January? You know what I mean? It was like so crazy. I was like so done. I can't. Let's not talk about this. But something else that I did in January was opening a little Substack profile, which I don't know if you guys are familiar with Substack. It's basically Twitter, but for essays and people that want to write essays, I guess. That's how I would describe it. Like, you can repost, you can share, you can do notes, you can do like a bunch of stuff, which are really cool. And during January, I just genuinely felt like I had less things to show to you guys and more things to say. I was just like, as I said, in a weird headspace, and I just kind of wanted to reflect on, you know, the past year and all the differences between how I was feeling in 2025 January and how I was feeling now. You know, the excitement for when I left for exchange compared to how miserable I was feeling in the past weeks. Wait, I'm gonna show you my website. I have a website, isn't that so cool? Oh, period. That looks amazing. This is my little profile. It's so cute. Do you like the little logo? Oh my god, it's so cute. So I actually wrote only 3 essays, but you guys can check it out. Let me know if you like it. One is just like a memoir from my trip to Paris, because like, of course, we're always going back to Paris. Like, you know what? That's nostalgia hitting every time. I have a little something else that you might find a little bit more interesting for you, which is like, of course, my iPad is 10%. Great. Which is this one. This is my little guide to the perfect solo trip. I finally did it. I actually originally wanted to make a video about, you know, kind of like guiding you through what I personally did to prepare for my own solo trips. But as I said, I was just not in the mood for filming, and I was not have the time to do that. So I decided to write about it, and I think it actually came out pretty well. I'm really satisfied with it because I feel like I just touched on quite a few points that I haven't really seen people talking about online. I will write more parts because I think I want to make one that's more budget specific. I would say I did not really read a lot about budget just because of the fact that, you know, it kind of changes depending on the city that you go to, I guess, and also like the experiences that you do. So maybe I'll write one specific for Paris. I don't know. Let me know if you would be interested in that. But some of the points that I made were face the discomfort because you spent money to be there. That's like one of my favorite. That's literally just like, it's not toxic, but like, if you spend money to go somewhere, I think that's like enough of a motivation to like get yourself out of the negative mindset to go and, I don't know, hang out elsewhere. You know what I mean? Blend in, but you are a tourist after all. Be open to loosen your itinerary. Your solo trips don't have to be a think piece. That's also really interesting because I always talk about how my solo trips have been incredibly introspective and blah blah blah, that I ask myself a lot of questions and I was journaling, but it doesn't have to be like that. You can also go to Ibiza and just have fun. You know what I mean? So yeah, if you're interested, I will leave the link down below. That's so professional to say. Oh my god. I actually miss talking to you guys so much. Literally. Oh my god. I just feel like I'm back talking, hanging out with a friend. But yeah, so somehow we survived January. I'm really happy that we survived it. Thank God. But now we're here to talk about something else. I actually do have a little thing, a little surprise for you, which is like a surprise. Well, it is also a surprise to me, but like it is for you because like I haven't really talked about these plans. But she is back. She's so back. She's back. And she's gonna come with me on a little trip. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so basically, where am I going? I'm going to Germany. I've never been to Germany. Okay, specifically to Cologne. And never been to Cologne. Well, yeah, if I've never been to Germany, I've never been to Cologne either. A friend of mine just did his exchange in Sydney, and he's coming back to Cologne, where he currently lives, and I'm visiting him, which is so amazing because like this comes at the perfect time. Oh my god, I actually miss my friends so much. I just finished my semester and I don't have classes for now, so this is like perfect timing, literally. I am really excited about this. Also, it's not going to be just me and him, but another friend of ours coming from Canada is going to come in for the whole week. How exciting! It's just, I'm really, really excited about this. I have been thinking nonstop about exchange. I have been like looking at the videos, looking at the photos. I'm just like getting so nostalgic, so emotional about this whole period of my life that just happened and I had to let go of. It's just so exciting that we got to have like another small experience all together, kind of feeling like we're back on exchange. We all have different lives and different schedules. Somebody's doing her exams now. I did it in January. Somebody else just like came back from like trip, blah blah blah. Like, but the fact that we get to like meet is so exciting to me. It's literally the perfect thing. And of course we need to pack. Okay, I actually still need to figure out what I'm gonna bring. I'm leaving tomorrow and you know I'm like so slow at packing, but I actually hate packing so much. I need to get packing cubes. Hi. Oh my god. Okay, so first things first. Layers, a lot of layers. I'm gonna bring, actually I've already shown you this stuff. I don't think I need to like show you again. My usual turtlenecks, a white one and my kind of black one. I'm gonna bring my thermals too because you know it's gonna be cold. I'm guessing that the weather is kind of similar to here, so I'm really not expecting like, I don't know, Hawaii type of weather or like Cancun type of weather. It's just gonna be like a little gloomy, but it's fine. It's fine. We are preparing for that. I'm hoping for the sun, please. I will be bringing in my luggage two kind of sweaters situation. This is like a hoodie that a friend of mine gifted me. So cute. Wait, it actually kind of matches. Wait, oh my god, stop. It matches like the green of the shirt. So yeah, this one and another turtleneck, which is like a little thicker than the other ones. Then I have actually a new entry. I love this scarf so much. Guess what? I got it from my mom. She doesn't use it anymore, so I just like basically stole it from her. Just kidding. I actually asked her if I could get it, but isn't it so pretty? This is like, I think this pattern is called Houndstooth. Hello. Just gonna wear like a little babushka situation probably. I don't know. I'm just like figure that out. But I love it because it's really soft, but it's also not super heavy, which is great because I think it's gonna be a little bit too warm for my thick wool scarf. And this one is like heavy but not too much, so that's amazing. I'm actually gonna show you how I wear it usually because I think that's gonna be kind of cute. So first you try to cut yourself. No, I'm kidding. Ugh. Do this, and then you can like, who's texting me? Then you can do this. Isn't it so cute? I actually love it. I'm gonna bring two sweatpants, a black one and a light one because I'm staying for a week, so I'm probably gonna need sweatpants anyway. To go out at night, to the club, to the bar, I don't really know, we'll see. I have like two tops. You guys know this one. It's really cute. I look so tea with this on, like, period. Looks so good. Oh my god. And this one, this is like, I got it in Stockholm very long time ago. That's like the amount of stuff that I will bring, plus a bunch of shirts, a bunch of tank tops maybe, and all my toiletries and the rest of like the stuff that you bring on a trip. So yeah, next video it's gonna be me in Cologne. I probably will make one video of the whole week because I'm gonna hang out with everybody. I think this is it. There's nothing really else that I need to like tell you or update you on. I will go packing. I will go watch my TV series that I've been watching. It's called Ponies. It's actually kind of good. I don't know. I was vibing with it last night. But anyway, check out my Substack. Let me know if you like that. I'm also writing another piece about my experience with dating apps because I feel like it is really fun. I also interviewed my friends about it and they gave me their opinions. So it's gonna be interesting to like write it. Okay. I'm gonna go. It was really nice talking to you. It feels like I've been away for so long, and I'm really happy that we're back. So, bye everybody. See you soon in Germany.